In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Lightroom Desktop quickly and correctly so your photos stay branded and professional every time you export them. This is super useful if you want to protect your work, promote your name or logo, and keep a clean, consistent look across all your images. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the photo you want to export inside Lightroom Desktop. Once your image is ready, look to the top right and click Share. From the sharing options, choose Export Custom Settings. This is the important part, because the Custom Export menu gives you access to the watermark settings. Now the export window will open. Scroll down until you find the watermark option, then turn it on. Once watermarking is enabled, click to customize it. Here you can choose whether you want a text watermark or a graphic logo watermark. If you want text, simply type in your name, brand name, website, or anything you want to appear on the photo. If you are using a logo, upload the graphic file and make sure it looks clear and simple. Next, adjust the size so the watermark is visible but not distracting. A good watermark should protect your image without overpowering it. Then set the opacity. For a professional look, keep it subtle, usually somewhere around 30 to 60%. That keeps the branding visible while still letting the photo shine. After that, choose the position using the anchor points. You can place it in a corner, along an edge, or in the center, but for most photos, a corner placement works best because it feels cleaner and less intrusive. As you make changes, Lightroom shows a live preview, so you can instantly see how the watermark will look before exporting. This is really helpful because you can fine-tune the placement, size, and transparency until it looks just right. When everything looks good, click Export. Lightroom will save the image with your watermark applied automatically. No extra editing, no second app, and no complicated steps. Now, let me quickly point out a couple of common mistakes to avoid. First, don't use Quick Export if you need a watermark, because Quick Export often skips the watermark options. Second, don't make the watermark too big or too opaque, because that can make your photo look less professional and more distracting. A subtle watermark usually works much better. My best tip is to keep the opacity low, use a corner placement, and make your branding clean and simple. That way your images stay polished while still carrying your name or logo. And that's it. You now know how to add a watermark in Lightroom Desktop the right way. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.